I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Yes. Okay, I'm Roman and today we're with
Nassim,
Vincent,
Leo.
also, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of parkour, acrobatics, gymnastics. Please do not try this at home. Let's go.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
I am Vincent and this is my signature move.
A sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign. A sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm in.
What got you into acrobatics?
Oh, when I was younger, I watched many videos with a friend of me, and we go outside and just try some little moves, and after little by little, we start to do some real stuff.
Yeah, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant.
I'm Leo, and this is my signature move.
Your shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody?
What got you into acrobatics?
Long story short, when I was really young, I saw on TV the Power Rangers doing a crazy.
Yeah.
Then I always dreamed about doing flips. And when I came to high school, my teacher told me, look at this video of parkour for running. And I just tried, and I was good at it at first, and I evolved, and now.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm Nassim and this is my signature move.
World blind. Please, Lord, give me a sign. A sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign. A sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons.
What got you involved into acrobatics?
Yeah, this is the same with Leopold. The movie, Banlieue 13. This is the parkour. And after I show a video in YouTube and I try.
Awesome.
Different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll
Yo, Binsu! Hey, how are you, man?
Oh!
see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign. A sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign. A sign.
Yeah, man!
Okay, that was good.
Yeah.
The end of the song, next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong, I just need to carry on.
Hey, you have the flow, man.
Exactly.
Run. Yeah, Ramon is the good YouTuber. I speak English and speak patois Jamaican.
Put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to.
It's how you do it.
Yes, this is how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Oh.
Run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.